Today we're checking out Tony's, Ottawa, Ohio. That first bite of onion ring. Take a look at that. Looks similar to a Big Mac. You go ahead, you get that first bite of that TITANBURGER. Cheers. TITANBURGER not bad. It's not terrible, but I'm not sure I would come back for this. The lettuce falling everywhere, all over my lap. I'd get you first bite of mushroom. I love fried mushroom. Mushrooms are delicious. Ranch on that mushroom. Mozzarella stick. An onion ring. Just a mushroom right on top of that. And cheese stick. That colossal stack, that's what I'm calling it. Yeah. Chocolate peanut butter milkshake, go with mine. Overall, that TITANBURGER from Tony's, I give that like a 6 out of 10. It's okay, wasn't great. That TITANBURGER, because it says on the sign, home of the TITANBURGER. Some of my followers told me to get a cow tipper. Maybe I should have listened to them. Fried appetizers, the mushrooms, cheese sticks, onion rings, those are delicious. 9 out of 10 on those. If you enjoy this video, make sure you hit that follow button. You know it's gonna be good, and take care.